want y'all to throw y'all doves in the sky for this one. But check it, not put on side though, we worldwide.
Worldwide, we taking over, wake up to this Folgers, we soldiers, high up the ghost, hit this Jehovah. Now lean back, relax, and let your conscience be free. You now rockin' with the G.O.D. Worldwide, we taking over, wake up to this Folgers, we soldiers, high up the ghost, hit this Jehovah. Now lean back, relax, and let your conscience be free. You now rockin' with the G.O.D.
The takeover, the break's over. Soldier repent, follow the blueprint of the real Jehovah. The makeover, who dwells in the midst of this hell, where rock sales increase the capital. The devil's death kiss got fiends tapping their wrists. A world wrapped in the twist of lies. So I clench my fist and lift it high. Eyes open wide, New Jerusalem's the prize. Be wise to the signs of the times. Your mind is the weapon, so put away them nines. And your soul is eternal. Seek the truth and you will find. My lines paint a picture with a graphic design. No Photoshop, just that holy hip-hop. Real cats to show the cop. Target lock like I'm Robocop. A Jedi Knight, cross-country on a red-eye flight. Musical ministry, so when you mention me, tell them I spit gospel. Tell them I am an MC and I'm just God's tool.
Worldwide, we taking over, wake up to this Folgers, we soldiers, high up the ghost, hit this Jehovah. Now lean back, relax, and let your conscience be free. You now rockin' with the G.O.D. Worldwide, we taking over, wake up to this Folgers, we soldiers, high up the ghost, hit this Jehovah. Now lean back, relax, and let your conscience be free. You now rockin' with the G.O.D.
And once again it's on. Good music with a message, ill style, I'm in the zone. It's attack of the clones and the drones. On tracks I lay poems. The gym spreads Christ till he cracks the ozone. Bigger than hip-hop, I started with the beatbox, then the pop lock. Started spitting non-stop, back spinning on the cardboard box. That's how we did it, now I use this platform as a tool. Fully committed, my hands are still rigid. Walking the dream vivid, and it's a cold world where the souls are so frigid. Emancipated mind states the hope of salvation. And if you know the word, you know we writing Revelation. From slavery, apartheid, and segregation, and the Holocaust, plus the slaughter of the natives. So many lab rats trapped in mazes, but we hold the truth, so we spread it to the nations.
Worldwide, we taking over, wake up to this Folgers, we soldiers, high up the ghost, hit this Jehovah. Now lean back, relax, and let your conscience be free. You now rockin' with the G.O.D. Worldwide, we taking over, wake up to this Folgers, we soldiers, high up the ghost, hit this Jehovah. Now lean back, relax, and let your conscience be free. You now rockin' with the G.O.D.
It's the renewing of the mind and dying to them evil designs. So now I walk on water and spit fire. Yeshua with the Messiah. I was blessed with a gift, flow smooth as Esquire. Yes, knowledge I've acquired. Now watch the sunshine, no hiding behind visors. They greed made them wicked, now make way for the righteous. Don't mistake my niceness, I shine iceless. All I use are my divine devices and spit ice bricks. With it I'm sick, like E40 in the click. A positive vibe, like Hey Young World by Slick Rick. Cats be frontin' hard when they soft as chick flicks. I just stick to the script and it starts with the Genesis. Spiritually infinite, thoughts limitless. 40 days and 40 nights, I was lost in the wilderness. So if you're feeling this, it's probably cause how real it is. Now bob your heads and throw your hands where the ceiling is.
We taking over, wake up to this Folgers, we soldiers, high up the ghost, hit this Jehovah. Now lean back, relax, and let your conscience be free. You now rockin' with the G.O.D. Worldwide, we taking over, wake up to this Folgers, we soldiers, high up the ghost, hit this Jehovah. Now lean back, relax, and let your conscience be free. You now rockin' with the G.O.D. Worldwide, we taking over, wake up to this Folgers, we soldiers, high up the ghost, hit this Jehovah. Now lean back, relax, and let your conscience be free. You now rockin' with the G.O.D.